Want to create AI videos with Seedance 2.0 in just a few simple steps? In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start fast. Most beginners get confused because they don't know where to start, what to type, or how to make the result look good. Seedance 2.0 is built for audio-video generation and supports text, image, audio, and video inputs, so you can create with more control instead of guessing. Officially, Seedance 2.0 is available through platforms like Jimeng AI, Dubao, and the Volcano Engine Experience Center. Step 1. Open a supported platform and go to the video generation section. Alright, to start, we'll use this AI platform. On the dashboard, find Video Generation and click it. This opens the video tool. Now we can add our prompt. Next, we'll customize the settings. Step 2, choose the Seedance 2.0 model so you're working with the correct video engine. Step 3, write one simple prompt with a clear subject, action, background, and camera style. Continue seamlessly. The selected model stays visible. A young one-box texture said Cameron. If you want better control, add reference images, audio, or video clips to guide the result. Just open the side panels and drag your files into the slots. It's that simple. Now click Generate and let the model build your video from your prompt and references. A good result comes from a specific short prompt with clear visual direction. If you want more simple AI tutorials like this, subscribe and I'll keep making beginner-friendly videos that save you time. Want to create AI videos with Seedance 2.0 in just a few simple steps? In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start fast.